Hello everyone and welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're looking at the Aussie dollar to the US dollar. Again, our bias is towards the downside. We reviewed this pair on the full market analysis video previously. So if you want to go check that out. We did mention that we are looking to sell prior to this. We just had to wait for the pullback. And again, we are just waiting for a different type of strategies, which is just the breakout. Hopefully we can get a retest. So what I'm seeing here is a strong bearish momentum to the downside. I've clearly understood this if you look at just how many red candles are pushing towards the downside. So it's clear that momentum is pushing to the downside. Now the second thing is we have some sort of indication that we are pushing up, but we are gradually pushing down. That's why I'm looking to consider a breakout strategy as opposed to an aggressive entry on the pullback. As I'm also keeping an eye on this push momentum as well, because more or less likely the pattern could happen like this, and it could ascend upwards. So this is why I will be waiting for a push down below this zone here. And if we do get a break, we need to wait for the closure on a 4-hour time frame especially. The second thing is to wait for the pullback into this range, and the third thing is wait for that indecision. We need to see something like this here where there's a stick towards the top. This indicates rejection, or preferably a doji candle, just something where price is saying that we're rejecting this zone and we're not going to push higher. That's what this sort of means. The second and then the final thing is the momentum candle, which we're looking for, and that's just a strong red candle towards the downside. So it can look anything like this or like these candles here, but obviously right next to the indecision candle. And once we do find that, again, our entry will be good and we can have confidence to hold this trade for a long time, or the long term, of course. Until momentum switches, we can target our just the previous low here, 0.62497, or just roughly as a round number 0.626. Again, just over 100 pips, and of course stop loss entries would vary upon entry, but again, just if you were to risk 25, it's a nice 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So if there are any changes that we have noticed, especially with our bias, we will provide the video update. However, if you do require or would require some different types of information and more market updates, we provide them all through our group chat. That link is in the description below. We just simply provide news updates, the full market updates as well, and all the charts that we're looking to trade in the sessions that we look at. So morning, evening, and afternoon sessions. So again, if you do have any other questions, I'm more than happy to help you. Just contact us through our Instagram at KMTRADERS. I'm more than happy to help. And finally, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel for all future analysis videos. So thank you very much for listening, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.